Welcome back to my son Redhaarku channel. இன்னைக்கு soft spongy idlis எப்படி பண்றது நம்ம பார்க்கலாமா? To make soft and spongy idlis, I've got my idli plates ready. To begin with, I'm going to smear the idli plates with oil. Pour a few drops of oil onto the pockets of each of the idli plates. This is to prevent the batter from sticking onto the plate. So using a brush, I'm going to smear the oil onto the plate. Stir the batter well before adding on to the idli plate. Ensure to fill only 3/4 of the pocket. Reason is it needs some room to cook and rise. I fill the idli cooker with some water. I'm going to place the idli plates inside and close the lid. I've closed the lid. I switched on the gas. This will take about 12 to 14 minutes for all the idlis to get cooked. The 14 minutes time is done. I'm going to open the idli cooker and take out the idli plates. You see, since we have smeared it with oil, they've come out without sticking with each other. Now sprinkle some water on the idli plates and leave it on for 5 minutes before scooping it out, because right now it's very hot and if you try to scoop it out it will be very sticky, so we are going to leave it for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes I'm going to scoop out the idlis. As you can see, it's coming out soft and spongy, and since I've smeared it with oil, it's coming out easily. How it's soft and spongy. See, it's so soft, fluffy and spongy, and it's extremely appetizing. You can serve this with any chutney of your choice, and here I am serving it with tomato chutney. You can also serve it with idli powder. This is homemade idli powder. So here are the soft fluffy idlis with the tomato chutney and idli powder. You can also serve this with sambar, coconut chutney, mint chutney, coriander chutney, any chutneys of your choice. In the description box below, I have given you the link on how to make Idli-Dosa batter, so check it out. I have also given a link on how to make crispy dosas. Do check that out too. If you like my video, hit the like button, do share the video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until then, see you. Bye.